Coming up, we're celebrating Pancake Day 2019. MAC 24/7 gives us a sneak peek of some sweet deals that they've got going on.
Yeah, we don't want to miss that. Good morning, Hawaii. We'll be right back. Time now, 7:46. You're watching us. We'll be right back.
Welcome back. Thanks for watching Good Morning Hawaii. I am joined by some very special guests. Sorry, I'm stuttering and my mouth is watering because we've got my favorite pancakes in front of us. It smells amazing. I am joined here by Executive Chef Rey, and I'm here with Joan Nagua. You are the Executive Director for Hugs. We are talking MAC 24/7 is having a pancake challenge because it's National Pancake Day on March 5th. It's coming up. We've got some very special things coming up. Can you just tell us a little bit about first how you're celebrating National Pancake Day? Oh, I know you're busy at work, but can you multitask? Or
Sure, absolutely. How are we celebrating my Pancake Day? What we're going to do is we have paired up with Hugs, and we're going to donate 20% of our whatever pancake sales that we're going to have for that day. Okay. And right now I'm making a Hawaiian hopia pancake. Okay.
Looks amazing.
It is actually. It's actually very good. It really is. And this hopefully we're going to sell a lot of these. I'm hoping for.
It's one of the favorites.
One of the favorites. And during that day, from between 3 o'clock to 4:30, we're actually going to have sampling in the lobby.
Nice.
So we actually you can sample this, or you can pay for it. I'm hoping that
do both.
Yeah, do both. And it's all going towards a good cause, right? So you said it's a fundraiser for Hugs Hawaii. You want to tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, Hugs is help understanding and group support for Hawaii's seriously ill children and their families. We are local, homegrown organization serving local people, and as they discover that their child has a life-threatening illness, and they go through this long, challenging journey of medical crises, trying to find support, trying to find financial support as well. So all of our programs, work with families and kids who between infants all the way to age 21, who have a variety of life-threatening illnesses. It could be cancer, but it's also kids who have liver ailments and chromosomal defects and such. And we're there to support them. We work with over 350 families statewide.
That's amazing. Yeah. That's amazing. And so this is going towards a good cause. Of course, if you love pancakes. And Chef Rey, you're building this masterpiece right here. So we got something else going on. Can you tell us what you're putting together here?
Okay, this is our Pina Colada Crème Brulee. Okay, what it is a 3-layered crème brulee. We put a tapioca hopia on the bottom, and then we put a caramelized pineapple, and then we put vanilla creme, which is right here, and then we're going to torch this.
Wow.
So if you like Pina Coladas,
Okay, and as you're doing the torching, Emmy, can you tell us, anything about this event?
Yeah, so MAC 24/7, they're 3.5 stars on Yelp. They have over 1,600 reviews, which is just crazy how many reviews that is. And of course, people love the pancake challenge. And basically, if you do the big pancake challenge, if you eat the whole thing, then your pancake is free. But it's a pretty tough thing to do. And I asked them how many times has someone actually completed, and I think he told me 1 a month.
It's deceiving. I mean, everyone's probably thinking, I can do it. I love pancakes. I can eat a lot, but it's big.
I think it's a good challenge. And it's Fat Tuesday on March 5th, so
perfect.
No better way to finish off Fat Tuesday than with a
You'll have to challenge Emmy and I if you decide to show up. So
I'd love to do that.
Some big competition there. All right, Chef Rey, anything else you want to add about what you're making or about the pancake challenge or celebrating Pancake Day?
Again, like I said, this one over here is one of our premier dessert, and it's actually low calorie.
Perfect. Perfect.
Absolutely. It's absolutely it really is. But again, as far as our pancake is concerned, again, we make everything from scratch. We have a wet and dry mix, and that's that we mix every 4 hours. So we have a 4-hour shelf life on all our pancake mix. After that, we discard it, and then we continue on.
So it's fresh always.
And they're so fluffy, so good.
Oh my gosh! And that frosting, I guess is that what it's called? Looks amazing.
This is our white chocolate mousse, also low calorie. All
right, well, thank you so much for joining us here this morning. We really appreciate it. Check it out on March 5th, Fat Tuesday. We've got the Pancake Challenge going on. Come by down to M.A.C 24/7. Thank you so much for joining us in studio, all of you.
Thank you very much.
All right, Lei, I'm going to send it back over to you while I enjoy my breakfast.
All right, thanks, Mika. Looking good, gearing up for Pancake Day. We got another check of your Sunday weather coming up after the break. Here's a live look outside.